Why do some people become wealthy while others struggle financially, even when they earn the same income? What if I told you that getting rich isn't about how much you know about stocks, investments, or the economy, but about how you think, behave, and make money decisions? In today's audiobook summary, we're diving deep into The Psychology of Money by Housel, a game-changing book that reveals why financial success is more about psychology than intelligence. If you want to build lasting wealth, avoid money mistakes, and develop a financial mindset that leads to freedom, stick around, because this summary will change how you think about money forever. The core message: money is not just about math. It's about behavior. When discussing money, most people assume that success comes from being smart, knowing how to invest, or following expert advice. But the truth is, financial success has little to do with intelligence and everything to do with behavior. Housel's core argument is simple. You don't need to be a genius to build wealth. You don't need a high salary to become financially free. What truly matters is how you think about money, the habits you develop, and your financial decisions over time. Example: some people earn millions but end up broke because they lack financial discipline. Others earn average salaries but retire wealthy because they practice patience, consistency, and smart decision-making. Key lesson: mastering money is about mastering your emotions, habits, and mindset, not just numbers and strategies. Key idea number 1: the power of compounding. Why time beats intelligence. Warren Buffett, one of the richest men in the world, didn't just get wealthy because he's a great investor. He got wealthy because he started investing at age 10 and never stopped. Why compounding is the most powerful wealth-building force. If you start investing $100 per month at age 20 and earn an average annual return of 10%, you will have $586,000 by age 60. If you start investing the same amount at age 30, by 60, you'll only have $226,000. The difference? Time. The mistake people make. They focus on short-term gains instead of long-term patience. They try to time the market instead of letting compounding do the heavy lifting. Key lesson: time is the most valuable asset in investing. The sooner you start, the better your financial future will be. Key idea number 2: getting rich versus staying rich. The two different games. Anyone can get rich, but not everyone stays rich. Getting rich requires risk-taking, optimism, and bold moves. Staying rich requires discipline, humility, and knowing when to stop taking unnecessary risks. Example: many lottery winners, athletes, and celebrities make millions, but lose it all because they don't know how to protect and manage wealth. On the other hand, wealthy families stay rich for generations because they prioritize financial security over flashy spending. Key lesson: it's not about how much you make, but how much you keep and grow over time. Key idea number 3: the role of luck and risk. Why we shouldn't judge others' success. Bill Gates became one of the richest people in the world. But what if he had gone to a different high school? one that didn't have a computer. Would Microsoft even exist? The role of luck in financial success. Many successful people don't acknowledge the role luck played in their journey. Many failures don't realize that risk and bad timing sometimes play a role, even when they make smart choices. The mistake people make. We assume that if someone is rich, they must be financially brilliant. We assume that if someone is struggling, they must be bad with money. Key lesson: acknowledge luck, respect risk, and don't blindly copy someone else's financial decisions. Your situation is unique. Key idea number 4. Why we never feel rich. The trap of lifestyle. Inflation. No matter how much money people make, they always want more. Why? Because their expectations rise as their income increases. The problem with lifestyle inflation. You start earning more money, buying a bigger house, a better car, more expensive vacations. At first it feels great, but soon you adjust to your new lifestyle, and it no longer makes you happy. Now you need even more money to feel the same level of happiness. Example: someone earning $50,000 per year dreams of making $100,000. Someone making $100,000 dreams of making $500,000. No matter how much they earn, they always chase more instead of feeling satisfied. Key lesson: if you don't control your spending and expectations, no amount of money will ever feel like enough. Key idea number 5. The best money strategy. Save more than you think you need. You don't have to make millions to become financially free. You just have to save consistently. Why saving is more important than investing. Returns. Even if you get amazing investment returns, if you don't save enough, it won't matter. But if you save aggressively, even average investments will make you wealthy over time. Simple money rule. Live below your means. Increase your savings rate as your income grows. Invest what you save and let compounding do the work. Key lesson: the ability to save money is the key to financial freedom, not just high income or great investments. Final thought: mastering money is about mastering yourself. The biggest money problems are not investment mistakes or bad markets. They are human nature, emotions, and behavior. What we learned. 1. Wealth isn't about how much you earn. It's about how you manage and grow your money. 2. Invest early. Let compounding do its magic, and don't chase short-term gains. 3. Avoid lifestyle inflation. More money won't make you happier if your expectations keep rising. 4. Save aggressively and live below your means. This is the real secret to financial security. If you want to transform your financial future, read The Psychology of Money and start applying these lessons today. Subscribe for more personal finance book summaries that will change the way you think about money. What's the biggest money lesson you've learned? Let me know in the comment below.